Most of us never considered pursuing dreams beyond our capabilities. I was born with a seizure disorder, and even though I graduated with honors, I was rejected during job applications because of it. Just to have one, I accepted the job even if it did not suit my skills. But attending crossover made me realize that there is a more suitable job awaiting for me. So I resigned and pursued a master's degree in applied mathematics at UP. Although being a full-time graduate student demands as much time as possible, my time for God and His people remains untouched. The trainings and conferences awakened my drive to disciple people. Also, as part of the crossover production team, I do my small part of serving as one of the ministry's video editors. My family fears that the things I do are too much for me, but I stay determined because I trust my God. Last 2012, the Philippine League Against Epilepsy recognized 6 outstanding persons for overcoming the challenges of their condition, and I was one of them. Just this November 24, the national awardees had a reunion, and there I was given the privilege to share my thoughts about how I can contribute for the welfare of people with epilepsy. I promoted the Word of God as our source of strength. I proposed the idea of creating a small community of advocates who will voice out the truth that even though we are limited, we are fighters. In front of doctors, I described the structure of cell group, School of Leaders, and Multiplying Ministry as an effective tool to resolve the problem about discrimination and ignorance of the society about our condition. The assembly loved the idea, and there, I saw a new world where I can proclaim God's promise, a world of people who fear taking the next step, thinking that they are unable to do so. We may face things beyond our capabilities, but our God is not limited by our limitations. Isaiah 40 verse 29 says that our God gives strength to the weary and power to the weak. Do not let anything prevent you from living the meaningful and gainful life you truly deserve. I am Jesse Sadi, 1728 of Bishop Oriel M. Baliano, a dreamer, an advocate of Christ's healing power, and an overcomer. And this is my testimony.